Hello sir, I am starting my training in engineering department from today.
Welcome Jay, I am Kumar and I will guide you in learning about the engineering department. So these videos are made by clarifiedbetter.com and on this channel you will find training lessons for people working in hotel industry. If you are working in one or wish to work in one in future, do subscribe to the channel by clicking the red subscribe button below. Also do remember to click the bell icon to receive notification whenever we upload a new video. Let me begin with the departments and hierarchy of the hotel. The hotel has many equipment and furniture that needs upkeep. In order to do that, the department has supervisors who handle every shift and technicians who will be trained for a particular skill. In our hotel, our supervisors are from the electrical and mechanical background. So they can handle electrical issue and air conditioning issues. But for tasks like plumbing and masonry etc., we hire specialists.
So what all tasks does the engineering department perform in a hotel?
We take care of preventive and breakdown maintenance, maintaining records for various government norms like pollution control and fire safety aspects of the building. Other than that, we are also responsible for the heat, light and power in the hotel and all the cost related to utilities and repair and maintenance.
Thank you sir, for telling me about the various departments in the engineering department and the tasks performed by the department. And do explore the engineering department with me and keep learning. If you visit clarifiedbetter.com, you will be able to access many more training and you can get started for free. So do check it out. I will see you in the next video.